In this video, let's see how to make soil blocks. There are many recipes suggested to make soil blocks. Here, to keep it simple, we are using a regular potting mix. Sieve the potting mix to remove the lumps and clumps. Add water and mix well. This is a 3/4 inch soil block maker. It makes 20 blocks at a time. Now press the soil block maker on the mixture. Make sure to fill all holes in the soil block maker. Scrape off the excess. Place it on the tray and press and release to make the soil blocks. There are 20 blocks in a set. Each block has a small indent for placing the seed. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.